Welcome! Welcome if you're joining on the replay. This has been a fun afternoon with the Period Girls Past the Cast. Hello, you guys! All right. Oh my goodness. I'm debuting my panda onesie. Oh my goodness. Hello, you guys. Welcome. How is everyone? This has been so much fun joining the afternoon Past the Cast. I am Amanda Smith. I am a proud Period Girl. I'm one of the members of the leadership team. Thank you for those hearts and those snowflakes. Thanks, you. Smile. When you did that to me earlier in the beginning, I literally thought she froze. I looked down at my phone and I was like, wait, what? But I'm Amanda Smith. I'm a proud Period Girl. I'm also a school speech therapist and an origami owl designer. And because my name's Amanda, growing up my nickname was Panda. So my sister got this for my for Christmas actually. We celebrated earlier Christmas this past weekend. And I was so excited when I opened this. This is a full onesie, adult onesie. Like, how fun is this? Like, I'll be wearing this every night, right? With the Period Girls Past the Cast. How fun! Well, welcome you guys. It has been so much fun. You have Amanda too. I normally help out in the evenings because I work during the day, but I'm on winter break and I've been having so much fun hanging out with you guys this afternoon. It's so good to meet you guys. And like, I love this. I love Past the Cast. I get so much energy. I can't remember who said it, but I think it was Princess. You kind of get scared to scope. Well, welcome if you're a new Period Girl. Welcome. You know, I get kind of scared when I scope. I mean, my hand was literally shaking like, oh, I gotta push that start broadcast button, right? I still get nervous, and I've been scoping since the end of June. I am so close to 1 million hearts. So tap away that screen. I would love to get 1 million hearts by the end of the year. That's my goal by the end of the year, is have 1 million hearts. I would love to join Deborah Fox and many of the other Period Girls that are in the 1 million heart milestone club or whatever. So I want to shout out to all of the girls. B, you are absolutely amazing. I've never done Past the Cast with you or Kelly, I don't think. And it's been so much fun. You girls rock it. I love these dynamics of these different leaders putting together. You guys are awesome. A force of nature for sure. B, I love your laugh, your smile. You are awesome. And you kept saying, quit laughing at me. I was laughing with you, girl. I was having so much fun. And I literally thought the screen froze when you smiled. You said we are the poop. I was like, what? And I was like, whoop, we are the... And Sharon, I love your energy and your sign. You are such a cheerleader. And B kept saying, your hair's on fleek. It was. It's on fleek, girl. I love your glasses as well. Daisy, smile for a screenshot. Jeez. Oh my God, there's like 6 cameras that went up. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. I'm getting really hot. I'm gonna take this off. Princess, you rocked it. You know, you're the one that said, it is kind of scary to scope. Like I said, I still get kind of scared to scope. I love you guys are laughing with us. I need to strip down. I'm burning up. I was not hot a minute ago. You were awesome. You're such a good cheerleader for the Period Girls. I heard some awesome testimonies this afternoon. I'm so used to saying this evening. This afternoon of how Period Girls has done for you. And that's just so awesome. That's so encouraging. It's so awesome to be a part of this movement. Over 9,000 women supporting each other here on Period Girls. You also said, we're created for success. I love that. I love that piece of a motivation. You are awesome. And Carly, I've seen you before and you are amazing. You just astound me. You have so much going on. You're such a busy mom, but you are just wonderful. I love your energy and your just enthusiasm. I remember watching another one of your when you're on Past the Cast, Panda Power, woohoo, with your daughter, and it was just so sweet. I think it was during her feeding time. But I love that you said addiction. Periscope is an addiction. Yes, this notebook was, well, it started to be my weight loss journal like thing, but it quickly turned into my Periscope journal. I have all my notes with the Period Girls and everything, and who to scope and scoping tips and everything, or who to watch and everything. So I love it. I love, yeah, I'm glad I have a tripod because I'd probably be shaking too because I'm just my adrenaline just going, bah. Then we had Patricia. I love it. Your first time scoping? What? I was asking the leaders, I was like, this is her first time? Like, are you kidding me? You're such a natural. I love it. I love your antlers. My dog would probably get freaked out about it. She'd probably be like, oh, what's on your head, Mom? I love it. I love your energy. And I love your Christmas tree in the background. I wish I could scope out there, but I don't have a good place to put my mount and everything. But yeah, a natural scoper for sure. Then we had Keisha. I love it. You said it takes courage, and you're right. It does. And the PeriGirls help you build that courage and find that courage to be able to scope daily. And I love that. I am my resolution. I love that powerful moment you're saying, everyone stop typing or stop tapping and type that in. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. You guys, awesome, amazing. I heard some great testimonies this evening of how, or this afternoon, of how PeriGirls has just rocked your world and made you a better broadcaster and really helped you come out of your shell. I think it's amazing. So if you are a female in here and you're not yet a member, what are you doing? You need to go sign up right here at perigirls.com. It's absolutely free, which is absolutely crazy. It blows my mind because there's so many things that we offer to you women that you can help benefit you and your scoping. It's so awesome. You know, I looked to see, I was going to say, hey, go sign up at PeriGirls Pass the Cast right here. But we're actually full the rest of the week. We are going to be scoping tomorrow or this evening and tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, and then we're closed the rest of the week, for holidays and everything. But we're going to be back up next weekend. So for next week. So save this little right here. So take a screenshot and next Sunday or later this week, I guess, when things get up, right? Go sign up. It's awesome. Go sign up for next week's Pass the Cast. You will get so many hearts and subscribers. Yes, we're blabbing tonight at 7:45. So fun. So after tonight's Pass the Cast event, which starts at 7 p.m. Pacific time, 10 p.m. Eastern time if you're over here, and I'm in Indiana over here. Which is abnormally warm right now. It's supposed to be like 60 tomorrow, which is crazy. Like, where's the snow? That's why I put the snowflakes in there. #winter, because I want the snow. But we're going to be on Blab tonight with Jenny Q. So fun. I love Blab. It's so fun to jump in and chat with everyone. It's more laid back than this. You're with other people and everything, and it's so fun to get to know more women in the PeriGirls, as well as people outside of Periscope, or outside of, outside the PeriGirls as well. Other men and women. So, oh my gosh, awesome. Thank you guys so much for all the hearts. I'm going to wrap this up. Thank you guys so much. I've had so much fun. Thank you for being a part of me reaching 1 million hearts. I'm so close. My battery's gonna die here soon. I got her. Awesome. Awesome, you guys. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you guys later for the PeriGirls Pass the Cast tonight at 7 p.m., right? Pacific time. And then Blab at 7:45. And let me show you my little card here. I got all these little index cards, right? We are, where's my Blab one? Right here, Blab. Follow the PeriGirls. I don't know the @him. Yep. You're welcome. I've had so much fun. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys all have a wonderful and a merry, happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Have a wonderful day if you're out shopping. Be careful, be safe, be nice to people, you guys. Bye, everyone. It's in there with this, right? In with the panda.